Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Christy, and you know what time it is. It is time to cook. And today, I am excited. I cannot wait. I am making Snickerdoodle Muffins. That's right, Snickerdoodle Muffins. If you love Snickerdoodle cookies, then you are going to love these muffins because it takes the flavor of a Snickerdoodle cookie and puts it into a muffin. These are so good. Cinnamon and sugar, you cannot go wrong. Oh, these are delicious. Now there are a few ingredients here on my counter, but don't let that scare you away. These are easy to make. I'm going to show you just how to do it. Let me go over these ingredients with you, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make these delicious Snickerdoodle muffins. Yeah. So you will need 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 3/4 teaspoon each of baking powder, baking soda, and cream of tartar, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then the recipe actually calls for 1 cup of sour cream and 1/4 cup of buttermilk. However, when I went to get my sour cream, I only had 3/4 cup. So I have adjusted the recipe just a little bit to 3/4 cup of sour cream and 1/2 cup of buttermilk. I will give you the actual recipe in the description box below. And then just a little tip for you. If a recipe calls for buttermilk and you do not have it, if you take regular milk and add just a little bit of vinegar or lemon juice, then that is a way that you can make some buttermilk at home if you need some on hand. And then you will need 2/3 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my butter and add it to my KitchenAid mixer. Now if you don't have a KitchenAid, you can just add it to a large bowl and just use an electric mixer to mix together the butter and the sugar, and that's what I'm going to do. And this butter has been sitting out at room temperature, so it's nice and soft. And then I'm just going to beat the sugar and the butter together until it's nice and creamy. All right, so I'm going to scrape the sides of my bowl, and then I'm going to slowly incorporate the eggs into this butter and sugar. I'm just going to add an egg one at a time. I'm going to add the other egg. And also the vanilla extract. So now I'm going to take my flour and I'm going to add my baking soda, baking powder, and salt and cream of tartar. Then I'm just going to give this a good stir. All right, so now I'm going to add 1/2 of this flour to the creamed butter and sugar and egg mixture. And then I'm going to add my buttermilk and my sour cream. And I'm going to add the rest of this flour. All right, so my muffin batter is done. Now I'm going to combine the 2/3 cup of sugar and the 2 tablespoons of cinnamon in a larger bowl. Okay, so then I have a muffin tin here, and I'm going to spray the muffin tin with some nonstick spray. But if you have some cupcake liners, then you don't need to spray. I don't have any cupcake liners, so that's why I'm just going to spray each cup here. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the cinnamon and sugar into each muffin cup. And then I'm just going to put some of the batter into each cup. And then I'm going to sprinkle generously over top of each muffin the cinnamon and sugar. And then I'm going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 18 to 22 minutes until they're nice and golden brown and they're done in the center. Just look at these Snickerdoodle Muffins. Oh. If you love Snickerdoodle cookies, you are going to love these muffins. I'm just saying. They are delicious. Oh yeah. These taste like Snickerdoodle cookies. These are absolutely amazing. They are light and tender, moist. Well, I really hope that you give these muffins a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.